For the last 2 years, AI image generators have had a single, embarrassing Achilles heel. You could generate a photorealistic astronaut riding a horse on Mars, but if you asked that AI to write a simple word like coffee on a sign, it would completely fall apart. Garbled lettering, alien hieroglyphics, swapped characters. It was the instant giveaway that an image was fake, and it made AI useless for serious commercial work. For businesses, this wasn't just a cosmetic annoyance, it was a deal-breaker. A misspelled brand name or a hallucinated URL turns a gorgeous ad into digital junk. It forced designers back into Photoshop for hours of manual cleanup, effectively erasing all the speed gains AI promised. But as of right now, that era is over. The typo is finally dead. Google has just launched Nano Banana Pro. Built on the Gemini 3 reasoning stack, it is the first mainstream image system that treats typography as a first-class feature, not an afterthought. This isn't just a software update, it is a multi-thousand-dollar business opportunity for agencies that are ready to act fast. Today, we're going to break down exactly how this tool works and how you can build a $10,000 automation system around it. Let's look at the proof. In a recent walkthrough by Brendan Jowett, he put Nano Banana Pro to the test with a specific brief, a birthday party poster for Jason Smith. He specified the 50th birthday, a specific California address, and an RSVP email. In the past, Midjourney or DALL-E would have butchered this. But Nano Banana Pro? It rendered production-ready text on the first try. Jason Smith was spelled correctly. The address was intact. The email address appeared exactly as typed. No random characters, no hallucinated domains. But here is the real kicker. When asked to redesign the poster in a modern, minimal style, the model completely changed the layout but preserved every single critical text element. This multi-step reliability is the missing link that finally flips AI design from a toy into a professional tool. So, what is actually happening under the hood? Nano Banana Pro isn't just guessing pixels based on vibes. It behaves like a reasoning engine. When you feed it multi-part instructions, copy, layout constraints, brand colors, it plans the entire composition before it paints a single pixel. It fuses chain-of-thought planning with diffusion generation. This allows it to handle native 4K resolution and complex instructions like legal disclaimer in 8-point font at the bottom without breaking a sweat. But typing prompts into Google AI Studio is still manual labor. If you want to turn this into a scalable product, you need to stop acting like a designer and start acting like an engineer. This is where we bring in N8N. By connecting Nano Banana Pro to N8N, you can build what we call a design agent. Imagine an automated art director that never sleeps, never forgets the brand colors, and never makes a typo. Here is how the workflow operates. You set up a trigger, like a simple Google form where a client enters their product name, offer text, and promo code. That form submission fires an N8N execution. The workflow pulls the client's fixed brand rules, hex codes, fonts, logo URLs, and combines them with the new input into a structured prompt. It sends this to Nano Banana Pro, generates 10 variations, and drops the finished 4K files directly into a Google Drive folder. Think about the value of that. You aren't selling a picture, you are selling a private production line. A marketing team can push a new product angle at 10 a.m. and have 20 ready-to-ship variations live in meta ads before lunch. No email threads, no revisions, no waiting on a freelancer. This is exactly why agencies can charge $5,000 to $10,000 for setting up this system. The economics are undeniable. A mid-sized brand might spend $50,000 a year on stock photos and external agencies for routine ad variants. Your automated system replaces 60 to 80% of that grunt work. It allows them to test hundreds of creative variations, turning creative testing into a continuous optimization loop. A 15% lift in conversion from better testing can mean hundreds of thousands in extra revenue for your client. So, who do you sell this to? Don't chase the Fortune 500 just yet. Look for businesses where speed matters more than perfection. Real estate agents who need open house flyers every Friday. Local restaurants that need daily specials boards. E-commerce brands launching new products monthly. These clients are drowning in the need for fresh content, and they will happily pay for a system that automates their biggest headache. Nano Banana Pro has quietly flipped the switch. We have moved from the era of concept art to the era of production assets. The barrier to entry is no longer artistic skill. It is the ability to build the automation pipelines that harness this power. The typo is dead. The design agent is born. The only question left is, are you going to be the one to build it? If you want to master these workflows, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We are going to be